If you are someone who values lifestyle, luxury and location, we have something really exciting for you today. Located just 350 meters away from the Pune International Airport, right opposite to the Symbiosis Law College and surrounded by the tech parks, this premium location in Viman Nagar is definitely going to win your hearts. Welcome to Shubh Nirvana, the tallest residential tower in entire Viman Nagar with 10 stories of elevated living. Spread across a 7-acre of land parcel, Shubh Nirvana is designed to offer premium 3 BHK homes with just that right balance of connectivity and calm. With only a few apartments per floor, it ensures exclusivity, natural light and cross ventilation, all within a structure that stands tall and proud as Viman Nagar's highest tower. Life at Nirvana comes with comfort, with thoughtfully curated amenities. Rooftop lounge with panoramic views, landscaped sit-outs, indoor fitness studio, kids play area, senior citizen zone, multi-purpose hall, 24/7 security with access control, designer entrance lobby. Whether it's your morning workout or a calm evening on the rooftop deck, the amenities here ensure you're not just living, you're thriving. Let me take you to the 4 BHK sample apartment of Shubh Nirvana. Here at the entrance, you have the wooden door with a security lock by Yale. Right at the entrance, you have this thoughtfully designed foyer that leads you directly to the living room. This space you can ideally occupy with your shoe rack or a console table with decor. Right attached to the foyer is this thoughtfully designed room which is ideal for your shoe collection space or even a waiting room for your guests. The first bedroom is ideal for the guests or for elderly parents. It is located much more closer to the living room, which can be easily accessible through the passage. This has ample space for the queen-sized bed, side walls and a compact wardrobe. This room is calm, private and built for comfort. This room is attached to a humongous balcony which ensures enough ventilation throughout the day. This balcony eventually connects one to the living room. Walk into the spacious living room, which makes it feel both inviting and open. With these full-length windows, which make sure there is enough ventilation and ample sunlight throughout the day, making the space feel much more airy and pleasant. Right directly attached to your living room is the spacious balcony, which I mentioned earlier is directly connected with your guest room. Balcony comes as you see, offering you a wooden flooring, a wooden ceiling and a railing with a toughened glass. Right parallel to your living room is the space which you can actually convert into a puja room, perfect for your idol worship or day-to-day rituals. Extending from the living area, the dining space is ideal for an 8-seater setup. Step into this L-shaped modular kitchen, a blend of functionality and elegance. Granite countertops, ample space for overhead and the bottom storage, and enough area for microwave, refrigerators and even your chimney. At the far end, a door leads you to this dry balcony, ensuring that there is enough space to place your washing machine or do the laundry and other utilities, making sure your kitchen isn't a mess. The kids' bedroom is an adaptive space. In this area, you can actually fit a bunk bed or a single bed, a wardrobe and even a study table. The huge windows ensure there is ample sunlight throughout the day and enough ventilation for the kids. There's a good view from the window when it comes to city or the garden area. This room can be converted into a creative studio. Moving ahead from the kids' bedroom is this common washroom. The CP and sanitary fittings are from Toto and Grohe. The master bedroom is your own personal retreat, with ample space for a king-sized bed and a wardrobe. This bedroom sets an overall tone which is warm, perfect to end and start your day with. This is another master bedroom. Ecstasy is what I like to call it. Enough space when it comes to the TV unit, your huge king-sized bed, couches, tables, and even a large wardrobe. The master bedroom opens to this beautiful space, a balcony of your own where you can sit and chill. This is the attached washroom of the master bedroom with full-length division and premium fitting. To wrap it up, Shubh Nirvana isn't just a residential project. It's a rare combination of prime location, premium lifestyle, and smart design. All that's going to be a part of the tallest building of Viman Nagar, Pune. If you've been waiting for your perfect 4 BHK apartment nearby the Pune International Airport, your wait ends here. Contact us and book your slice of Nirvana today.